All right, guys, we are here at the payment machine, which we showed you on the last one, but we're going to show you a little bit more in depth this time.
Yeah.
Take it slow, nobody's around, so we can show you the cruise card activation point. When you are, let's give them a little backdrop. When you are on MSC, you do not pay for things ahead of time, like gratuities or whatever. You can do some pre-cruise purchases, but you also can't put your credit card on file in advance, which is really odd.
It is weird.
You come here to do it, and you can also use, and we're showing you the big one, because the big one allows you to use cash.
Yeah.
So it has credit card as well as cash.
Hey everybody, this is Laura and Scott from Extraordinary Adventures Cruise and Travel, and we are interrupting the video you are currently watching to let you know that not only do we create videos like this, we are also cruise travel agents.
Yes, we are.
So if you are looking to book a cruise, we would love to help you. Reach us at any of the information below.
Call us, email us, check us out on the web, Instagram, you name it, we're there.
We'd love to help you plan your next extraordinary adventure. So I want to mention, because if you buy like a drink package or whatever,
this was interesting. We learned this today.
if you don't like pay for it,
well, tell them numbers.
The cruise card activation point. So we put the drink package for 3 nights for 2 of us. We bought the middle drink package. It was right around $338. Okay, $338. Yep. And then you have to pay your daily gratuities as well, which we didn't figure in. So when we
I think I figured in less. I think I said $15 per day per person, 30, 60, 90. Oh, that is over 400.
It went over.
I guess I just did bad math.
We authorized our credit card for $400, but we went over that because they added the gratuities on, which we miscalculated, and because of that, we're cut off on our drink packet.
Well, no, because they knew us, but they warned us.
Yeah, that we could be cut off.
Because we were over, it was kind of like shutting it down until we go fix the problem.
Right. So, unfortunately, there are 2 ways to do it on this machine.
Just be aware of that, that's all. There's nothing wrong with it. MSC does do things a little bit weird. Yeah. And when we're booking the cruise for you on MSC, we'll walk you through some of the weirdness that we've learned now after 3 cruises. It's definitely a little weird. But that's why MSC, of all the lines, you probably need a travel agent for the most.
Really, I almost agree on that. It's a little confusing. So what's even weirder is that if you authorize your credit card for more than the amount that you actually spend, on the very last night of the cruise, you either have to come to one of these fancy machines, because there are other types of machines that are smaller that just have this part right here, to get cash back, or you have to go to guest services and wait online to get cash back. They won't only charge you for what you spent.
It's kind of like using an ATM to get cash out, and you usually pay a fee for that, but in this case you're not paying a fee.
It's very weird. It's like what? But anyway, so
this is the machine. Yeah,
so there are 2 different options. This is if you want to pay for your bill using a credit card, and this is if you want to pay your bill using cash.
And Laura may be able to stick in if she's talented enough. We've taped some of us doing the credit card version, but today we only owe $22.
Right.
Not to mention the credit card seems to not be working, the Wi-Fi or something screwy.
All day long there's been Wi-Fi issues.
So we only owe $22, so we're just going to go in and show you the cash version.
Right, so first you hit your language.
You don't want it in Italian?
No.
My wife speaks Italian.
I mean, not really, ish. So you put that in, you slide it in. It's telling me we owe $22.10. And it's
asking if you want to top it up.
I want to top it up, yeah.
Boom.
So I want to do it in English dollars.
Okay.
And then insert banknotes. Do we have?
Well, the world just learned your middle name.
Yeah. How do I put in here?
Yeah, maybe.
Where does it go? Oh, right here.
There it is. Whoa, take it easy.
It's not liking me.
There you go. Boom.
Okay.
So that's $1. Whoa. And then you got a 20. Oh, okay.
No.
$3, that's right. Okay, whoa, stop.
Wait,
You've already done $3. Now you do a 20.
$22 I did. And then one more.
I thought you just put $3 in.
No.
No?
No.
I don't know what's going on. Just.
And then
let me see.
Confirm.
You already put the 20 in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I missed. The first one was a 20.
Yeah.
Okay. No,
second one, actually.
Whatever.
Yeah. Because the reason we're doing this is.
Yes, we always want receipts.
Yes, I do.
I don't trust these people. I want the
Okay,
receipt.
cool.
No, they're gonna give you change. That's
New
the
credit,
question.
I got 90 cents in
I
credit.
knew they wouldn't give you change. They're gonna end up keeping that 90 cents.
Well, or
That's a
we
good way
come
to make
back
money.
later.
Onboard purchases.
No, on the last night, we come back.
Sure.
The reason we're doing it now is so that we can get more drinks. Because
Yeah, exactly.
they gave us the warning that we couldn't get any more, so we're like,
about
okay.
to do the ship tour.
Yeah.
And Laura needs her glass of wine, but because it's International Beer Day,
We're gonna have
she's
a beer.
gonna do a beer.
So.
Bye for now.